how to use Nitro in Need for Speed. If you want the insane burst of speed, here's how to use Nitro in Need for Speed. Let's open the Need for Speed application. Look for the blue Nitro bar at the top or slide of the screen. It fills up your drive, drift, or draft other cars. When it's full, tap the Nitro icon on the right side of the screen. Your car will surge forward with a powerful boost. Use Nitro on straight roads, after sharp turns, or when overtaking rivals for maximum speed and control. And that's how to use Nitro in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.